Now we will study about the national parties. Democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties. So those country who have democracies in their country, they have two kinds of political parties. Parties that are present in only one of the federal units. So either it will be present in only one of the federal unit, and the parties that are present in several or all units of the federation. That means either the parties will be only in a one particular place, or it will be spread all over the units of the federation, or spread all over the country. This is the case in India as well. There are some country wide parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states. So in India also we have a different types of parties which are spread all over the India, and they are usually known as national parties. These parties, that means the national parties, have their units in various states. That means they have their members in different states, but by and large all these units follow the same policies, programs and strategy that is decided at the national level. So the national parties are those parties which are followed by the same policy, program, strategy that is decided at the national level. That means whatever their head or their representative will decide, they have to follow the same, and they have to follow, or they have to implement the same policies and strategies in their respective state or in their respective areas. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. So every party, whether they belong to the state party or the national party, they have to register themselves with the election commission of India. While the commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established party. So as election commission of India treats all the parties equally, and it also offers some special facilities to those parties which are in large and which are established for many years. These parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use that election symbol. So every party they are given a symbol by the election commission of India, and the symbol are being used by only those particular parties. No other party can use the symbol of other party. Parties that get their privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission for these purposes. So the parties which get this privilege, that means the special you can say the symbol and the other special facilities, are recognized by the election commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called recognized political parties. So what do you mean by recognized political parties? Those parties which are given special facilities, and they are regarded as the recognized by the election commission of India by giving them special symbols. So these parties are known as recognized political parties. The election commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be a recognized party. So the election commission of India had made certain, you can say, criteria or condition which are given certain criteria or conditions for the votes and seats that a party must follow, so that they can recognized as, or they can be considered as the recognized party by the election commission of India. A party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in an election of the legislative assembly of a state and win at least two seats is recognized as state party. So what do you mean by a state party? A state party is a party which secure at least 6% of the total votes in an election, especially to the legislative assembly of a state, and win at least two seats is recognized as a state party. So this is a proper definition of what do you mean by a state party. A state party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. So what do you mean by a national party? A national party are those parties which secure at least 6% of the total votes in the Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states, or win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. According to these classification, there were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2018. So by 2018, there were only 7 national parties which was recognized by the Election Commission of India. Let us learn something about each of these parties. So in the next video, we will learn what are the different national parties and what are their manifesto, what are their means, what are their goals and objectives.